Hi, today I'm with me ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first, open the settings application, then tap to the sound section. To change ringtone volume, we should slide to the left or to the right side this white dot on ring volume panel with our finger. So also we got here the second option how we could do that with the help of the volume buttons. Just press up or down volume button, but to change on the ringtone volume we should first in default volume control switch media to the ring, and by this way we could change the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.